Alright, we'll do a quick walk around on the MR2 here, looking for any damages we can locate. Right away, it looks like this here fender has been painted. You can tell it's a little different color than the door here. As you look closer, it just doesn't really look like factory paint. Yeah, you can see signs of bodywork there. And the fender liner's got a little bit of overspray in it here. It looks like a little bit of peelage going on right there. Little marks here, not exactly sure what that is. I recently broke the lens on my camera screen here, so excuse if there's any poor quality or doesn't want to focus. This side looks pretty good. I don't see same signs of bodywork as the other side. Little rough spots there, I'm not sure what that's from. Our guy tried to buff this out and I guess it didn't really come out for some reason. A little bit of rustage on the wheel, just a little bit there. Another spot like the other one's kind of like a little faded spot. Another one of those there. Hard to tell. This camera. Not really any door things in it. Again, we got a little more moisture damage there on the wheel. A couple of chips there. This body line's a little tighter on this side than this side. Moisture in the lens here. A couple of little marks here, I think. It's like a trailer hitch, probably. And there's some words burned into the paint, unfortunately. I don't know why they do that. It's like a lot of southern and east coast dealerships like to put their names on their inventory like that. We don't really do that up here, doesn't seem like. Another little thingy there. Again, I think all the wheels kind of look like this. They're not too bad, but they are a little bit corroded. There's a little spot. Again, you can see that fender there. Sorry for shaking, it's a little cold out here. Interior looks good. A little creaky there. Seats are in excellent condition. The whole interior's in really good shape. Doesn't smell like anything odd. Doesn't smell like water leaks or kids or dogs or cigarettes or anything. Top's new, we have that installed here. That works, of course. Yeah, all this stuff works. It's warm. Radio works. Windows work. Odd shifter lever. I think that's about it. Oh, under the car, I'm sorry. Rust under the car. Car's in good shape. Again, a little more overspray in here. Definitely been painted. None in here. Under the car. Ain't much to see, but I don't see any rust. Here. I mean, a little bit of surface rust, but nothing really. Alright, I believe that's about it. Everything's great besides this little fender.